This short video shows how to buy shares of Lindsay Corporation. Lindsay Corporation, ticker LNN, is listed on NASDAQ and makes irrigation and infrastructure equipment. This content is educational and not financial advice. To start, you need a broker account. We will use eToro as the example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account. Verification usually requires an ID document, and you will also need to add funds before you can buy. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker LNN to find the company. Select the matching Lindsay Corporation listing from the results to open its asset page. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Make sure the page shows the ticker LNN and a company profile that matches Lindsay Corporation. To place an order, choose Invest. Enter the amount you want to commit, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it opens, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. After the trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the description to open eToro and follow the example if you want to try the same steps.